Alright guys, before we get into today's video, I want to give a shout out to Rich Wallets for sponsoring this video. So for years, I've seen these wallets around and I never thought too much of it until recently. The traditional wallets are kind of bulky. They really hurt your butt a lot. And I decided to give Rich Wallets a try. These wallets hold up to 12 cards and it has a money clip on the back. You just move your cards over. I have my ID, my business cards, pretty much everything I need for every day here. So these wallets have lifetime warranty. They're super durable, so if you ever run into any issues, you're covered. If you use the link below, damn, what is it? Rich.com/rotary. You can actually get it for 15% off, and it will make a great gift for a loved one. Guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. So it's been a minute since we made a video, but we've just been busy at the shop finishing a lot of customer cars. There hasn't been really much progress on personal stuff because we're trying to downsize a little bit on the customer side of the Angel Motorsports, and we're trying to move into more of an engine building only shop instead of building whole cars. So right now we cleaned up like this side of the shop. We have that side of the shop getting cleaned up. And right now we're about to take this car to Florida because we have to take it to the fabricator. So down there is the first gen drag car. So I have to bring some stuff for the first gen to get done. And we're gonna go ahead and have both of the cars get worked on at the same time. So one of the other reasons we're going down there is Cleveland Cars is this weekend. I know we said we weren't gonna do a burnout on the truck, but we're gonna do a burnout on the truck. It's just been super reliable recently, and
the fuck you telling you about the engine last episode? You forgot about that shit?
It's been super reliable.
Oh,
we
yeah.
drag raced it.
Last episode. It's been reliable for one episode.
All right, so now we got fresh motor, so it means we got 2 more years of beating on it. I think like the last event, we did a 3rd gear burnout, and we had problems because it was untuned. It's still untuned, but it runs better. So So we're just gonna put it in 3rd gear and do a burnout and
blow the fuck up again.
If I hear anything wrong, I'm gonna get off of it, obviously. Take it easy.
Sure, bud. I'm gonna cut back to this moment when you say you're gonna get let off of it.
But yeah, we're gonna bring this, and then we're just gonna go do a burnout and have some fun and see the guys. You know, we'll see Cletus, Brent, Kyle, Jamie, all them dudes. So have a little bit of fun. It's gonna be a burnout only event, no drag racing. So we're gonna leave. Pretty much we're going to leave all the cars here. The FD's not done, but you know, we got time to, I think it's on February, the next Cletus and cars where we're going to be drag racing. But hopefully, I don't know if we'll have this ready, but
I mean, we could.
Probably the build and battle and the drag FD. Yeah. But as far as this car and the blue first gen, I mean, it's like a big maybe.
I mean, if we made a bunch of merch and everyone bought it, we could get that car ripping by February,
But let us know if you guys want us to make a merch for the drag cars. We can get a drag racing shirt made up, and it will, you know, we can fund this car and the blue 4-rotor RX-7. We're gonna get this loaded up, and we're gonna head to Florida.
Many of you guys know the FC was in an accident, and basically it was a total loss. But I was able to salvage some parts out of it. One thing that got messed up were the coilovers. The front right coilovers were bent. But BC actually sells replacements. Got on their website, got a replacement strut, and just to be sure, a replacement bracket, the mount that goes on the spindle, so I can put the car back together and have a rolling FC.
Now it's all back together. Just gotta go measure the left side of the car so I can adjust the preload on it and then put it in, and you can see this thing's still super cherry. Everything's working perfect on it. So now I have one corner refresh, and probably once I get the car running, I'll refresh the 3 corners. But for now, we have a rolling car again. All right, so I already matched the other side, so this thing's already go preloaded. Just gonna mount it on and get this thing rolling again.
Alright, so I broke my tire machine, so I can't put the tires on. So right now I'm driving down to VA Finishing to get the wheels mounted, because I tried going to a place before this and it was a mess. When I even talk about it. So right now I'm heading that way to VA Finishing, basically to bring the wheels and get them put on, and then head back to the shop because I need to put that car on all 4 wheels. So we can actually move it, because it's just been sitting in a piece of wood for like the past like 4 or 5 months. So I'm excited to put the car on the floor and on the whole new suspension. Basically get almost like a preview of what the car's gonna look like. I can get motivated to finally build a drift car again. And Virginia is looking pretty cool. And see all the trees are changing colors again. It's one cool thing about Virginia. Everything else sucks. Headed back to the shop now. Just got done with the guys at BA Finishing. They're pretty cool. Never been there before. They're actually pretty chill. And now I'm just gonna go back to the shop and test fit the wheels, see how they look. But not on my car, because right now I'm still waiting on the coils from BC. They get here Monday, I believe. So I'm just gonna put the wheels on Mike's car and then see how cool Mike's car could look. It might have the drip. Is that a shitbox? Is that a shitbox? Yeah, Mike.
On the street, so it
Sick,
is.
bro.
Yeah.
So Mike has a flat tire in the back, and these things got kind of a little beat up. So we're gonna use my wheels to test fit, see how everything fits, and hopefully get Mike some new wheels too, right, Mike?
Old and busted, new hotness.
Unfortunately, I did sell the FC, so FC plans are gone. So if you follow me because of my FC, don't unfollow me now, because I'm not gonna have another FC, because cool things are coming. The new car I'm building for drifting It's not this one. It's actually this car right here. So I decided to go with this car now to drift. Basically, it's a nicer platform, better chassis, and it looks super cool. So I picked it up a while back. Not to find all the missing parts for it, because it's missing a lot of shit. I do have a bunch of parts here for it, like the engine, turbo kit, intakes, V-mount out of the FC, stuff I got from Tommy F, yeah. But I'm still waiting on the whole interior of the car. Because this car has nothing in it. So we're missing dash, pedals, everything for it. Maybe basically just a quick update on the car. So you guys know what basically that we're still alive. We've just been trying to clean everything up and get our projects ready to go for this winter so we can get everything knocked out this winter and then come out swinging pretty hard for January, February. And I just need to paint the walls, run the lights basically across to put lights here, and then power the lift, and we're good to go. And then fix the bike afterwards because I blew the engine out of it. It was pretty bad. Let me show you. So I'm just gonna go home now, load up the RX in the trailer, and wake up early as shit to hit the road tomorrow morning.